The second half of this larger bullish reversal range naturally has some of the steeper earlier stages follow the approximate upward curvature on a vertically oriented spiral based on the previous downtrend. Now, attention is focusing on the likely end of a downward retracement and directed towards advancing up to new highs for this developing uptrend. Initially using a spiral orientation to get some of the smallest coverage promptly alerts us to when a first minor obstacle could be encountered in the journey back up to previous highs, centering around 69. As the advance back up resumes, we want the spiral to get more coverage, but not too far in time or too wide of a price range, since price was on a course to reach 69 in the near future. And with this success in swiftly crossing over 69, adjustments are once again made to keep up with advancing price. Since it's a bullish continuation, we use this area around the downward retracement as a first choice when deciding how to position spirals to get coverage of upward price movement in the near future. Realistically, you shouldn't expect guaranteed resistance leading to downward reversals upon contact with the spiral, even if this wasn't a sustainable bullish trend with periodic appearances of large-bodied green candles with higher volume. Instead, spirals helped confirm and approximate areas in price and time when the uptrend could encounter obstacles and slow down, resulting in a minor to moderate downward retracement, or situations of breakouts with rows of green candles and or increased volume, which isn't as abundant in this last case, leading to a smaller and less stable breakout to newer highs.